is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I'm the auction dog, and boy do I got a doozy for you guys today. So I come to you live from the auction in one of the dealer-only auto auctions that we have in our town locally, and somehow, some way, a very fine example of an early American sports car has somehow ended up at this auction. Somehow, some way, and I really can't explain it, but I thought it was very necessary to bring this to you guys, and I want you to see that this kind of stuff does still exist. So around this corner, and we're just gonna take a walk together, is a freaking first gen CTSV, right? And from the outside, it's beautiful. Everything's perfect. The paint's beautiful. Look at all the chrome. The headlights are perfectly clear. Like, everything is perfect. The wheels have no flaws. The freaking lip and spoiler, the front, like air dam, spoiler, lip, whatever you want to call it, has no flaws. No clear coat issues. The paint looks perfect. The wheels look perfect. All the emblems look perfect. The chrome looks great. The windows look, or the mirrors look great. And this thing is like the chef's kiss. Perfectly clean. Insane, right? Then you go inside and you're like looking at the interior, and it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Door panels have no dirt on them. Obviously they're, you know, early 2000s GM, so they're like this foamy, crappy plastic, but look at the rear seats. Looks like nobody's even sat in here. No greasy fingerprints. Nothing, dude. Nothing. And these, like the velour in the center of these seats are suede, and nubuck, whatever you want to call it, is absolutely perfect. And it's just mind-blowing that this thing is in as good of shape as it is, right? And then you work your way to the front seats, and we'll sit in here. We got a key here. Starts up perfect. Everything's like fresh out of the wrapper, right? Then you look at the mileage. I'm gonna zoom us in here. Look at that, dude. 4,517 original miles on the CTSV. Like, how insane is that? It's an 06. All the first gens, I believe, came manual. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe all first gens were manual. And it comes with obviously a 6-speed. And I don't know if this is a Tremec 6-speed or who made the transmission, but it's attached to one hell of a motor, obviously, you know? And I've been in the middle of filming multiple videos with my GoPro today, so it's kind of gonna die in a second here. So if I have to switch film quality and go to my iPhone, you'll know. But I don't care, because I want to show you guys this. This is what makes it a V, obviously. And you go under here, and you look at the code, and it says 6.0, right? So it is a 6-liter, and I believe these are all aluminum. I will double check and confirm whether they are or not. And I will put right here whether I'm an idiot or I'm not an idiot. So, I believe they are, but this thing is insane. Look at all the hoses. Look at the stickers. All the stickers are mint, the cap. Yeah, it says GM Performance Division. This thing's insane. Insanely clean. Like, insanely clean. Know what I'm saying? And just look at the wheels. Look. V. It's probably never, I mean, it's barely at its first oil change. What's up, Chris? This thing is insane, is it not?
Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
Talking to the viewers here.
I didn't think it was a CTSV when I saw the pictures, and then I come out and I see the V and I'm like, whoa.
Son, dude, I'm telling you. It's our boy who works here. He gets us the inside tip, you know? So, my GoPro is about to die, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive this over to a private area, kind of film some close-ups for you guys, and we're gonna once over this thing, because although I don't likely have the money to buy this, I've talked to a couple people I know, and maybe we will come together on a deal and try to get this and put it on Cars and Bids, because it really is quite a special car. But I really do think that this is, there may be some other CTSV, like first gen CTSVs, that have lower mileage than this, but this is damn close to the fucking lowest mileage one, I'm telling you right now.
2 cappuccinos, thank you, darling. Big kiss. The earring. Fun. Last year.
So I've been in like, I don't know, thousands of early 2000s GM products, and really they're not necessarily cheaply made, but they're just not made with a lot of pizzazz and style and stuff. Here, let's go ahead and rip a gear through here real quick. But, and I mean, this car is not spared the same treatment. Honestly, the interiors, besides the seats, it's really nothing special. Let's do it, ready? Oh, this thing feels great. But long story short, usually all this plastic shit's broken in any, you know, early 2000s car. This thing is mint. It's perfect. It looks like somebody just left it in their garage, which is, you know, for years and years, which is likely what happened. This thing is fast, son. It's wild. I had a 6.0 Trailblazer SS last year that was fun to drive, but there's something about a manual transmission on the back of one of these things that's insane. What a freaking sick car, dude. All right, so like I was saying, you know, I've been in a lot of early 2000s GM products, and none of them are ever this clean. Everything, I don't know what happens to them, they all break, whether it be this knob for CTSVs or CTSs, or, you know, the center console instrument panel, I guess you could call it, in the center of the dashboard there. People try to install radios or fix things, and all the clips tend to break. All this stuff's usually trashed, and this thing is absolutely mint. I don't understand how Carvana ended up with this thing. Somebody must have died, and their wife just sold it to Carvana just to get rid of it and move it. And word on the street, they only paid 18 grand for it. Within the last 2 years, there's only been one car that was auctioned off on Bring a Trailer or Cars and Bids with anything close to this mileage, and it was like 8,500 miles, and it did 29,000 on Cars and Bids, or on Bring a Trailer. I really think this car is doing over 30, 32, somewhere around there. And if I had the money to swing it, I would buy it. But I swear to God, I think this is maybe one of 10 first-gen CTSVs with mileage under 10,000 like this. And, you know, even under 5,000, say under 5,000, there's probably less than 10 in the world left. I cannot believe this thing is here. It's so clean. It's crazy. Like, look how nice the wheels are. There's not a freaking curb mark on them. Paint's perfect. Headlights, lenses are perfect on the headlights, tail lights, turn signals, everything, fog lights. Interior's perfect. It's just absolutely insane, dude. Really is. This is like diamond in the rough. Never see something like this again come through the auction. Absolutely wild. Absolutely had to bring that to you guys and show you that that kind of stuff still does exist. It's getting few and far between, but it's still out there. So drop a comment down below. Let me know if you like this episode. If you like when I kind of highlight one car at the auction, or maybe a few cars at the auction versus kind of doing a walk around. Too many people do auction walk arounds, and I feel like they don't get the views that they want because it's really not that entertaining. I kind of like going through and making fun of everything, but not everybody feels the same way. So anyways, if you haven't already, check out our website. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We want to grow this channel way out the freaking wazoo, and it's been happening, and we get a lot of engagement. We really love all you guys, and we appreciate you watching. So peace out, my dogs. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and yeah, that's it.